But at Suntory, you've really been impacted by the U.S.-European trade tensions and the tariff front there. Just how much damage has that already done?
Well, very close to $20 to $25 million, though we put a lot of inventory before this sanction started. So it's not a huge impact yet, but we expect that we would get the hurt if this continues. So we are wondering how we can pass on to consumers, but it's pretty difficult because we got to think about the competitive action by Scotch players.
Right.
So they don't have any tariff on Scotch, and that they have the weaker pounds. So we decided to raise the prices. I mean, take price, but it's really hard for us to pursue price hike.
Is that challenge exacerbated by the fact that many are expecting commodity prices to rise as well, and that will feed into input costs going higher?
Exactly. For example, distribution cost is rising, and a lot of factors show we have to raise prices. However, consumer mind is, I think, weaker and weaker. So considering the current momentum of consumption, we have to be very careful to take price, though we will.
And when you consider your overall business, both in beverages and in the consumer packaged goods as well, what are you seeing in the way of consumer appetite, consumer spending? Is the same pessimism we're hearing from the C-suite level in stock markets as well trickling down into the consumer spending habits?
Well, take a look at the aging population everywhere going on in Japan, even China, in ASEAN countries. I think there's a chance for us to go to the aging population, always asking for health claim products. We have the strong science to launch the health claim products, soft drink, and other products like a supplement. So I think we can have a great opportunity to address the great needs in aging population.
And talking more about the broader risks then, I mean, you've highlighted the concerns with Europe and the tariffs there that they've put on U.S. goods too. But overall, are you confident that the bigger U.S. China trade fight is nearing a resolution?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, because we are neighboring countries of China, I'm optimistic because both have the strong leadership. And Japan has, as a matter of fact, can play a key role because Japan is very close to now China. I would say the best time in our history in terms of relation with China. And our leader, Prime Minister, is very close to the administration. So we can work together to bridge between China and the U.S. in terms of alleviating the tensions.